It's Wedding Guy Wednesday, and I'm Wedding Guy Matthew Treadle. Every week we bring you the latest trends and ideas for your wedding at theweddingguys.com on our blog and in our weekly newsletter. This week we're kicking things off with summer bouquet trends. 651 Studio Floral, Daisy Co Floral, and Ink and Ivory tell us what's in season and reveal their favorite flowers to use in summer bouquets. Next, you'll see Gwen Stefani's 2 custom Vera Wang bridal looks from her intimate wedding to Blake Shelton over the holiday weekend. Every week, we also bring you our Vendor of the Week feature, which we call A Vow. This week, we talked to Cindy at Rapid Alterations about how her and her team help brides alter their gowns to fit them perfectly. Finally, check out our Bachelorette playlist on Spotify so you can spend less time choosing the songs and more time celebrating at your bachelorette party this summer. And don't forget, the Twin Cities Bridal Show is coming up on September 26th, so definitely go to the Wedding Guys right now and get your tickets. Until next week, make sure to follow us for all the latest trends and ideas on our social at The Wedding Guys.